My name is Stacy Thomas. I've been with California Medical since October 4th, and I've lost 67 pounds. Besides being overweight, I also had high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and since losing the weight, I've come completely off one of the medications, and the other ones have been cut in half. And I mean, totally changed my outlook. I was fixing to be put on insulin, and my doctor said she would give me a little bit of time to change something, and I lost the weight, and she was excited. She called me personally to tell me my A1C had dropped almost in half from my visit prior to beginning California Medical. California Medical has changed my life. I mean, just feeling more self-confident, not being afraid to go and talk to people, being able to go and shop in a normal store and buy a shirt without having to go to the specialized women's shop. I have tons of more energy. I mean, I would sit at my desk and be nodding off and have zero energy, and my energy level is gone up tremendously. It's benefited my family. We've changed the way we eat. Even when we go out we still get to go out to eat. It's not something that, you have to go to the grocery store and eat at home every night. We still get to go out to eat. We just make better, healthier choices at the restaurants. My husband's very supportive. When I meet somebody, I'm not embarrassed now thinking, oh my God, they're gonna, think I'm the fat wife. And when I go to my daughter's school, I mean, it feels better to walk in and everybody's not going, poor thing, she's so fat and she doesn't do anything. And going to a restaurant and sitting in a booth and not having to move the table out, that was always so embarrassing. We'd ask for a table instead of a booth because I was afraid, was I going to be able to slide into the booth? And don't have to do that anymore. Say a booth and I go and I sit down and just feel healthier. And hopefully I still have weight to lose, and I can be completely off all my medications, within the next 6 months. And couldn't be happier. I've recommended this program to 10 or 12 people. I know of 3 that have for sure started it within the last probably month and a half or so, and they're all having success. And it's not something that you have to go out and say, oh, I'm on California. I mean, people come up to you that you haven't seen in forever, and they're like, holy cow, what have you been doing? You look so good. Tell me how you're doing it. And you're like, California Medical. It's, diet. It's if you stay on the program and do what they tell you, you're gonna lose weight. There's no way around it. If you follow the program, you lose weight, you have success. And they've seen me, and just posting my picture on Facebook from when I lost my 60 pounds, I decided I would go ahead and post a picture. And I had like 110 comments saying, what are you doing? How did you do that? You look awesome. Tell me how you're doing it. How did you get motivated? I'm like, California Medical. It'll change you, I promise.